Hey everybody, come on in. It's time in the closet and I'm going to show you how to do this eye look. So don't forget, it's another day and another chance to sparkle, so keep a sparkle in your eye and a sparkle in your heart because it makes you beautiful. I wanted to come in. Everybody liked my eye look that I had about 3 weeks on my pork setting Sunday. I don't think I got this in quite as dark as I got that one, but I'm going to show you how to do the eye look and what I used for that look. So come on in. Let me get you a little closer. Okay, and my little tripod is wonky. I haven't bought a new one yet. I need to buy a new one, I know. But anyway, I'll get one eventually. But here's my look. Let me go ahead and get my palette. I use this palette, my Sephora Pro palette. And this is what it looks like. And I'll show you the colors as I use them. I didn't do an all-over color on my lid. I just left it with the makeup, the color it is. And the first thing I went into is the Dewdrop, which is this color right here, which is a kind of lavender color with a little sparkle. What I did is I used my finger. I use my finger a lot. If you follow me and you've followed me for any time, you'll know that I use my finger. And what I did is just went right here, just like that, with my finger. I'm going to look in the mirror over here a little bit, but I'll show you all how I done it. And I just put it on with my finger. And I'm going to use a paper towel I got down here and get it off my finger. And then I went in with Wisteria, which is this color right next to it. And I use my finger because I think these have a lot of fallout, and if you use your finger, it doesn't have as much fallout. And I went right here in the corner. And I brought that up just a little bit up in here. See how I'm doing it? I've just done it just like that. Go in again, make it a little bit darker, and go right over in my crease. I'm going to wipe my finger again. Then I went down here in Warm Cedar, right here in this brown color right here. I use my finger. This is to just get your basic color on. And I'm going to put it right on the corner. Right there. A little more. Right on the corner right there. See how I got it? And I'm going to wipe my finger. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and it is a LA Pro Shadow Blender. I get it for, they come in a package of 2, and the other one is a different kind. I'm going to set my palette over here, out of the way, and I'm just going to go in there and I'm going to blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to use that little bit of brown to darken that up, just like that. Now I'm going to clean off my brush a little bit. See how I got it here and how I want it. Now I just blend, blend, blend. I'll let you all see how I done that. I'm not doing it as dark as I did that. It looked almost black in the other, in my last week. So you can darken it up as dark as you want it, but it is a brown color, a lavender color, and a purpley color. But you can darken it as much as you want to darken it. Just blend that and keep blending till you're happy with it. Till you're happy. Not me, not anyone else. Till you're happy. Let me go over here and... Okay. I almost got it where I want it. Then I took this little brush right here, which is a e.l.f. brush, and a small angled brush. It's got an angle on it. And I dipped in the warm cedar, which is the brown. And I'm going to knock that off because it has a lot of fall out. And what I'm going to do is just go right on the edge of my eye. Just like that. With that. And then I'm going to go into the darker purple, which was the wisteria, with the same brush. And I'm going to go right here with that same brush. Are y'all having trouble with those little ladybugs? They're not ladybugs, but they're kind of Japanese beetle. No, they're not Japanese beetle bugs. But anyway, the little orangey color, we're starting to have trouble with them. But anyway, I'm going to go right in there with that. Oh, I better stay in frame, hadn't I? Now look, I want to blend that just a little bit more right here. Because see, this one is not as... But I want to blend that a little bit more. So I'm going to push a little harder. But be gentle with your eyes. Because they wrinkle bad enough on their own. We don't need to be treating them bad and making them... But blend, blend, blend. Clean your brush as much as you have to. Get another brush if you have to. I have two, so I'm going to use one to blend. And I'm going to blend, blend. Okay. I think that's how I want it. I want to go over here and put a little bit more of that purple. Okay. A little bit more purple. Alright. And then, I already got what I want under here. Then I took my black, it's called the Black 16-Hour Infallible by L'Oreal. And it's waterproof, and I have to have waterproof. And I done my waterline up at the top. Just like that. I don't like to pull on my eyes, so I want to be gentle. So I filled that in, made it black, and then I went on the corner. Just on the corner. Like that. I'm still not happy with that little bit of black right there, or I mean brown. Let's get a little more of that purple wisteria. Put right there. Put a little more right there. And then I used my Voluminous Lash Paradise. Glenda sent me this, and I love it. It's as good as the Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder being my favorite. But this is the one I go to for every day. For every day. Oh, I'm out of frame. I do my bottom lashes first. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me back you off just a little. Whoop, not forward, girlfriend. I'm sorry, this is wonky. I'm going to get a new. I like big honkin' lashes. And I like them to go out this way. That lifts your eyes. So put your lashes longer on the corners, because that makes your eye look like it's going up. I like them all big. And if you want to add eyelashes with this, you can. That'd be perfectly normal or fine. I like to use eyelashes every now and then. Not very often, because I don't like putting them on. I'm afraid of ripping my other lashes out. So I just use a lot of mascara. like this mascara. Okay. So there is the eye look. Here's what I used. Well, I haven't got the whole eye look. Let me finish. I used in my corner, right here in the corner, I used from Makeup Geek the Shimma Shimma, this. I just take my finger, swirl it around, and just dab it in the corner of my eye, just like this. This is even good for over top of your, yeah. And then I also used this color from Makeup Geek, which is called Phantom, which is this color, is a iridescent. I put it on my finger. It's an iridescent color in purple. And I added a little bit more shine to it. Along with, right in the center, I used Starry Eyed by Makeup Geek. And I just went right in the center. These are eyeshadows that I love. And I just went right here with the Starry Eyed, just to add a little pizzazz. Right here. And that's all I did. I hope you like this look. Well, I know you did. You asked for a tutorial. It's a simple, quick look. I use it as a Sunday look sometimes. I use different colors and do the same exact thing, but with different colors. You can use any color you want. You don't have to buy the Sephora. You don't have to buy the Makeup Geek. Whatever you have in your arsenal of makeup, then that's what you should use. Use any color with that technique and you'll get the same look. So I want to say that I love you guys, and don't forget to follow me on all social media, Instagram, Facebook. Here, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, leave me a comment. I like to chit-chat. Sometimes I can't always get back to you, but I will give you a heart that I read it and a thumbs up, and I will get back with you eventually. I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Hope your Monday started out well, and I hope that you have a beautiful, beautiful week. And now I'm rambling. I'm just so happy to see you all. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your well wishes. And thank you for being my friend. I love you guys. And don't forget, at the end of every storm is a beautiful rainbow. Bye.